Have you heard of Usain Bolt? Of course you have. He is the fastest man on our planet. This is not his story. Hello and happy living. Welcome to I Am Possible, the Success Mindset Engineering. Usain Bolt holds the record of 100 meters dash for the past 11 years. 9.58 seconds. This is not his story. This is the story of an athlete named Jim Hines, who actually made it possible for Bolt to create his record. Because in the Olympics of 1968, Summer Olympics, Jim Hines earned the title of fastest man on the planet when he broke the long-standing 10-second barrier in the 100 meters racing event with a record timing of 9.95 seconds. उस वक्त तक कोई भी 100 meters dash को 10 seconds में नहीं कर पाया था. It was almost considered impossible for 72 long years. Modern Olympics started in 1896 and Jim Hines broke the 10-second barrier in 1968. अब मजे की बात यह है that even after that, this 10-second barrier remained unbeaten for 15 years. Till in the 80s, Calvin Smith broke it with 9.93 seconds dash. And then came Carl Lewis, the great Carl Lewis, and 6 other athletes who broke the 10-second barrier one after the other. Time laga, but other athletes also got there, slowly and steadily. When someone showed them the way, when someone turned the impossible into possible and paved the path for Bolt to set the bright new record which is still unbroken. मैं ये आपको इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ, are you ready to set the path that others will follow? Set bright new standards that others will look up to. Are you ready to believe that impossible is only an opinion, not a fact? Are you ready to believe that if one human being can do something, so can we all? Think about it. Because we are capable of doing whatever we set our minds to. So go ahead and say it. You know what to say. I am possible. I will see you next Tuesday. Happy living to you.